Hi there, traders. So let's talk about the risk reward ratio, risk management, money management, and the leverage. So let's say you start right now taking that trade here. Let's say here, and your take profit is gonna be here. That's your trades, that's your stop loss, and that's your take profit. You know, it's not actually very, hard to understanding. Like back in the days when I was, start learning trading, I was like, what is the risk reward ratio? What's the risk management? I have almost like zero idea what those things are. And then I made things super simple. Like how I'm calculating my risk management is how much I'm able to lose with that trade. So that's mean in that stop loss here, how much is my stop loss, how much I am able to lose. Let's say I'm able to lose $100. That means my stop loss is $100 and my lot size is lower. Everything depends where is your stop loss here. Let's say you can have other trade and your stop loss is here. That means your lot size has to be much lower. Otherwise, the stop loss is too big and you're gonna go over the $100, €100. Let's say, let's say right now, let's say you want to do the FMO account and you take the 25,000, and then your maximum loss is 2,500. So let's go back here. So that's mean you can take you can lose 25 trades. And then you're gonna lose your account because every stop loss was €100. That's mean when you lose 25 times, you lose your account. It's simple. But what is the risk reward right now? The risk reward right now is 2.2, and let's say your risking here is $100. That's mean right now, if this trade is going to take profit, you're making $320. So, and that's basically your money management. How much you are able to lose. So let's say this trade is right now here with let's say a little bit higher lot size because your stop loss is right now much lower. But let's say the market structure right now is like something like this, and this is gonna be here. Let's say you want to take now the same trade here, but now your stop loss is here and this one is gonna be here. So now you have to lower your lot size because your stop loss is much bigger than this one. So your stop loss right now is here, 1.5, and now this stop loss is 2.7. This stop loss is much bigger. So that's mean you have to lower your lot size, otherwise you're gonna lose. If you're using the same lot size, this stop loss gonna be how much? 1.5. This is gonna be like $200 or something like that. If you're using the same lot size, and that's already it's not good. It's over leverage, and then your mind is totally gone already because you want to make some money, and it's not gonna work like that. Because right now here you have to lower your lot size, and let's say for example, when the market structure is just like that, or maybe something like that, and then you want to take the trades, and right now your stop loss is gonna be here, and then this is gonna be your take profit, same. But now your stop loss is much look at the stop loss. It's so it's much lower, smaller, and right now you can add some more. You can increase your leverage because your stop loss is so tiny, but still your stop loss is gonna be $100. But right now your leverage is much higher and it's the high risk trade, but if you want to do it, it's all possible. It's it's like I said, it's all possible. Like you have to you have to discover things here. Like it's not you just doing all the time same things. It's not gonna work like that. And here you what you have three different risk reward ratios, three different leverage, but your risk is everything same. This is 100 bucks, this is 100 euros, and this is 100 euros. All your money management is 100 euros. When it's going stop loss, it's going to be 100 euros. When it's going take profit, it's going to be 1,100 euros, 260 euros, and 320 euros. That's everything, actually, to be honest. You have to keep things simple. Only thing what is basically matters is how much you're able to lose, and you have to stick those plans. If you're a beginner, 100%. If you're like, okay, I'm risking every trade 100 euros, that's your thing. Like right now, let's say, what was the take? What is the profit target? 2,500. The profit target is 2,500. Here, what? 1,500, 200. So let's say 1,500. You are profit right now. So basically, you have to make one more trade, similar like that, and your challenge is done. First step is done. Actually, people like struggling so much of making those accounts. Those are actually super simple. The most simple things ever are making those things, those accounts, because there is zero risk. There is absolutely zero risk. That's why I don't know, and people still cannot make it. It's what's going on. The most important thing, how much you're able to lose. And it's not like, oh, today I'm risking 100, today I'm risking 250, today I'm doing that. No, like if you're risking 100 bucks, you keep 100 bucks. If you're risking 200 bucks, you'll keep 200 bucks. But I'm recommending to risking all the time 100 euros because it's it's a solid number. It's a nice round solid number, and it's easy to calculate, easy to it's a much smoother number. So that's the risk management, how much you're able to lose, and that's it. Don't even calculate how much you can win your money, because you're gonna go opposite side. You have to understand, how to say that. It's like you have to become master of losing, not winning. Like that's why you're gonna calculate how much you're able to lose in that trade. 100 bucks, and that's it. Because the thing is, like, if the trade is open and you see some more possibilities, you're just gonna hold that trade all the way here. You don't have to close it, because it's still playing out nicely. But imagine if you are like over leverage right now here, most likely when your trade is a little bit even here, you already close it, because you cannot handle those emotions here because you're over leveraged. But right now, if your risk is only 100 bucks, you can hold those trades. I don't know, 1 year even if you want, because your risk is still 100 euros. Even if the trade is, going here, and here, and here, and then you can stop out. Same thing. You just lose the 100 bucks. It's you didn't lose more. Or even if you want to do that, if your price is somewhere here, just take 120 bucks out. If you get stop out, you're still 20 bucks profit. But if you start opposite side, you start calculating all your profits, not how much you're able to lose. Most likely it happen like here. You're just gonna count one candlestick, and then you're gonna you take your trade out, and but that's not trading. That's not trading. So yeah, keep things super simple. Just risk What do you want to risk? $100. Best one. Come on. And if you're going like, I don't know, 100k, so that's mean there is 10,000. That's mean you can make 100 trades. Come on, like how you can lose 100 trades straight? Like I wanna know that. Like when you can show me you was losing 100 trades straight with risk of the $100, I'm gonna buy you the 100,000 account. The same thing. Like if you show me you lose 100 trades straight away, I'm gonna buy you a new account. Because for my brain it's impossible. It's impossible to lose 100 trades straight. It's impossible. And that's it. Super simple. Don't like that like those are the things what I'm not thinking about those things at all. I'm not thinking about the risk management or money management or the leverage or all those things, because for me I think that's the noise actually, like especially for beginners, and then they're like, oh, you have to calculate that. No, only thing what you have to calculate is how much you're able to lose, and that's it. And then your range, because the market structure, your range is, let's say that's your range, and then you have to calculate your leverage, because every broker, everything is different. Most likely it's what you can do is how you can calculate this. Let's say you're gonna open 0.01 lot size, and then you track, let's say you're gonna open a trade, let's say here 0.01 lot size, and then you track your stop loss here, and then you see like, I don't know, your stop loss is like 2.7 euros or something like that. I don't know, like let's say something like that. And then you can calculate, now I can increase my take profit, say leverage, 0.2. That's mean how much is it? Then it's your same stop loss is 27 euros, and then you're gonna increase 0.4, and then your stop loss is 50 euros, and then you have to calculate, because every broker, the spread and everything is different, and you have to research, you have to zoom in, you have to understand things, you have to it's all those things what we're talking about. It's so beginner level. I don't even know stuff, because it's too beginner. It's the things what you don't have to focus actually, but people are going like, oh, I have to know that, I have to know that, I have to know that. No, only thing what you have to know is how much you're able to lose, and that's the only thing, and you move on straight away, and that's it. That's what I was doing back in the days, and that's what was helping a lot. Because I remember when I was beginner, I was like, oh, I have to figure out this mathematic language, and this number theories, and calculate stuff. No, only thing what is necessary is how much you're able to lose, because all those trades you can hold more. Like I'm holding my trade sometimes, I don't know, weeks to the month. Like this trade right now, what I'm opening here, like look at that. I'm still this trade is still opening, and where is that thing here? That trade is opening 5 days right now, 5 days and 8 hours. Like most people, you take the trade in, and you see like this, those impulse candlestick, every single one gonna close the trades already. Like I'm 100% sure. And then ding, still going. There is no risk right now. There is nothing what is, I don't know, just beginner stuff. Ooh, look at the gold. What I was talking about, like I get some pullback, feeling in Friday, and now we have this pullback feeling. But if you still have more questions about risk management, all this lot size and everything, maybe you know, if you have how to say, sharp question, exactly specific questions, then I can answer much better. But remember, just think how much you're able to lose, your stop loss, you know, how much you're able to lose. Most likely 25,000 accounts, you're able to lose $100 every single trade. What we was talking about here, this one, maximum loss, yeah, it's a 2,500. If you risk every trade €100, that's mean you can make 25 trades. Actually, you can lose 25 trades, and then you're gonna lose account, and then you have to buy a new one. But even the 25 trades lose is something, but doesn't make really sense. People lose because they are not patient, over leverage, and all these stupid things what people are doing because they don't know what's going on. But actually what's going on is just very humanly simple, and that's it. But it's so simple, people just are lost in noise, and the noise what they actually creating himself, because people thinking trading is something what is out of the space, you know. It's like the level of the getting things or seeing things. It's like I don't know, ultra hard or something like that, you know, so hard it's like impossible. But it's not, it's actually in front of your nose, but people don't see it. But here it is. And if you have some questions, leave in the comments, and I'm gonna answer more questions. Thank you, and I'm gonna see you every single one tomorrow. Ciao.